Hello, welcome back to another video. I'm back with a project building video. In today's video, this is my first showing you how to make a project video by Python code. I never did that before, and we start with making a question and answer projects, and this video will be the part 1, and I will post the other parts in the upcoming days. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay guys, I'm back with the code. This was the last time when I make the video that I used this, and but in today's video what I'm going to create is a project that are going to ask a question, and then if we answer the question, we will going to record that. If we are right, you will going to count that we get the point, or if we don't, that's also going to count it. And that's basically what we are going to do, and I'll show you deeply how can we make that project, because this is our first project, so I will try to make it very easy to understand. And let's start it. Okay, I will delete this line of file for now. To create a file, we can just say command and n, and it's automatically created for us, and then we can just came here, and then okay, you know what, we can just go and automatically can create the file we want, and I want to create it in my Visual Studio file folder, I mean here, if you see it, and then I will make it under this Visual Studio folder, and I will call it question and creation and tutorial. You can call it whatever you want to call your file, and then I created the file. Okay, let's start. What we are going to do is we want to ask the person some questions, and then we want to get some input from the person, and then we are we want to the code to see that input, and then if that was correct or not, and then it will going to give the score after we done it, and we can make it 10 question. For we can make it very advanced way, but in this video I will show you in very easy way to make it, but we can make it very advanced and in very small but complex code. But in this video I will show you in the very beginning way. Okay, to start with, we can just say we first we have to specify the questions, and then we can access it later. And to do that, we can just say question. That's how it's spelled. I don't know. and then after that we can make a list of questions, and we can find those questions from website, and I will come back after I collected those questions. Before I get to do the research, I want to show you to also how to we can find the question, because if you are following me when I did that, you can follow. You can I also have to show you how to you can get those questions, and I use ChatGPT for this project, and I will ask the ChatGPT to give me 10 questions with the answers. Okay, let me say, give me to make it very easy, we want to the person to answer it in a choice question. We must to we don't have to, to make it very simple and not complex for the user. We need it very simple by just make it the question multiple questions. That makes it so I ask the chat GPT to give me 10 10 multiple choice questions with their answer, and then I will put those questions there, and then after I put those, I also going to take the answer and store it in that code, and then I will access it later in the project. So I will ask the ChatGPT to give me 10 questions, multiple questions. I know my spelling is wrong, but question. Give me 10. Okay. With the answer. That make it question very easy, and then it will going to create a question for us. What is the name of the main character? What? Okay. Okay. It's making a question for us based on this book. Recently I reading about it. I hope you will make the other thing. Okay, here is the questions, and then I can store it in my list, and then I can ask also make it in the list way for me. Can you now give me can you only I hope you will understand what I'm trying to say. Okay, that's fine. We can just copy this one, and then we can go back to our code. Yep, and then we can paste here, and then we can adjust something here. Can just delete this one. Okay guys, I'm done after doing some manual, I mean some doing a hard work, and I separated them like this, and if you are following me up like that, you must do like this. You must for every single questions, you must surround it, the question with quotation marks. Then I did that, and then also if in the questions, if you got, for example, like this one, quotation mark in under in the question, you must use this symbol to ignore it, because if you did not do that, you will have some error in the future, because you will think from this to this are the new some one strings, and then from no way, yeah, but those are different, doesn't count, but from here to here it will count like one strings, and you will get some error. So don't do that to not get that error. And this is we get our data, and in the next video I will continue, and I'll see you in the next video. Make sure to like and subscribe. You can support me by doing that, and I see you guys in the next part. Goodbye.